I've just been scattering some bird seed for the coots because they have some babies and they're feeding them. There's at least 3 I can see. That one's going for a little walk. So I throw it down here, it lands on the log so it's not too far under the water for them to get at. And they've been pecking it up, taking it back over to feed the little ones. Well, they've only fed that one so far. The other ones have been on the nest and they haven't come out yet. But there we go, some more baby birds on the lake. Here are some more baby birds. Which are these? These are the Canada geese. There's 7 of them. They are, what, 3 weeks old now, I think they are. So they're getting quite big. And if I come over here, we get towards where there's a step they can get out of the lake here. So they'll hopefully come up here and I can feed them. Oh, I've already thrown some down for the coot. Let's throw some more out. God, they are so big for 3 weeks old. They've got little wings now. They've managed to keep all of them as well, which is really good going. Oops, I'm getting it all over their backs. And this pair of geese are actually quite pleasant. They're not very feisty, not very fighty, they're just quite pleasant. And they've been very good at looking after the children. Look at them, they are so big now.